Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us for a special look at Agent Mode in Excel. Agent Mode is part of Microsoft 365 Copilot, and it's here to make building and editing spreadsheets easier with Copilot as a collaborator. Agent Mode works with all the tools you're using right inside Excel, structuring pivot tables, writing formulas, creating charts, formatting data, and more. And with new features like web search, support for desktop apps, and an option to try a Claude model, you can now use Agent Mode in new ways, whether building a new workbook or editing an existing one. You're always in control, and you get a summary of changes made along with verification steps so you have confidence in the output. Let's see Agent Mode in action. Agent Mode in Excel has new capabilities that unlock the full power of Excel for everyone. Start collaborating by activating Agent Mode from Copilot. Turn on web search to pull data from trusted web sources into your workbook. You now also have the choice to try Claude and experience a different model powering Agent Mode. Then, all that's left to do is describe what you need, and Copilot gets to work, building in your workbook. In a few minutes, Agent Mode generates a full market forecast and uses its Excel expertise to apply the right formatting and build charts, including citations for web sources it used along the way. Thanks for taking the time to check out Agent Mode in Excel. As you saw, Agent Mode is designed to streamline the way you build in Excel workbooks by performing multi-step tasks, structuring data, drafting formulas, and building visuals so you can focus on insights. It can pull in data from the web when you need, and with Claude, you can now try out different models. We're still refining what Agent Mode can do, and your feedback will help us make it even better. We're excited to see how this new capability can help you and your teams work better.